I'm going to install Dropbox on my new laptop. Okay, I'm downloading the Debian file, the .deb file. I'll check software, but I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it. This version was last updated in 2019 February. Guessing the newest version is on the website. I'm not going to do it this way. It brought this up behind my Chrome window, and this was updated quite a bit newer than the one that was in software. I'll launch Dropbox. In order to use Dropbox, you must download the proprietary daemon. Now it might be trying to download everything. I don't want that. So let's go to Preferences, Sync, Selective Sync. Yes. This just pretty much leaves me with my daily notes, which I like to sync on all of my devices. 1 is work, 2 is personal,